Welcome to Auto Show, your hub for the latest updates in the motorcycle world. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Yamaha XT600, a modern revival of one of Yamaha's most iconic dual-sport machines. A legacy reborn. The XT600 has a legendary reputation dating back to the 1980s. Known for its rugged build and off-road capabilities, it became a favorite among adventurers. For 2026, Yamaha brings it back with a bold mix of heritage styling and cutting-edge technology. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the new XT600 carries a single-cylinder, 600 cubic centimeters engine designed for both efficiency and power. Yamaha has refined it for smooth torque delivery across terrains, whether you're commuting on city streets or carving trails in the wild. It also meets the latest emission standards without losing its signature thump. Design and comfort. The 2026 model balances retro inspiration with modern ergonomics. A tall stance, wide handlebars, and long travel suspension make it as comfortable on dirt as on asphalt. The seat has been reworked for longer rides, while LED lighting and a digital display bring it up to today's expectations. Technology and safety. Yamaha adds rider-focused tech without overcomplicating the machine. Features include ABS with off-road mode, selectable riding maps, and Bluetooth connectivity for navigation and ride data. It's rugged, reliable, and practical, just as an XT should be. Closing thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha XT600 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a tribute to adventure, reborn for a new generation of riders. With its balance of heritage and innovation, it looks set to capture the same spirit that made the original legendary. Stay tuned to Auto Show for more updates on the latest motorcycles hitting the road.